right, now that'll do, kids. Don't start something that you can't finish.
I read about you two in the paper this morning. Are you going to be working with Mr. Nichols?
Well, let's just say we're going to try.
Actually, they're handling Barry's defense. Of course, the district attorney has already decided to try you two together, so...
Well, that's one of the things we're here to talk about. We'd like to petition the court for separate trials.
No. Oh, no. No, we have to be together.
Prosecution's job is easier if you're tried together. We don't want to let them have it all their own way.
No. Barry, did you...
No, I didn't. Look, you didn't tell me anything about separate trials. I don't want that.
If you're tried together, we've got nowhere to go but acquittal or guilty of murder in the first degree. I don't want to risk that when there's a chance with separate trials that both of you will get a...
No. No, if you want to handle my case, you take it as it is, together. Or I'll dismiss you.
Dismissed? Who gave you that word, Barry?
Nobody, man, and that's just the way it is.
Mr. Nichols, these two have the only real stake in this trial, and if we're not going to be able to work together, they've got to know that right now.
What's he talking about?
Well, these two celebrated young attorneys, they don't know me yet. They're a little bit afraid that I'll be the adversary instead of the DA, but they'll find out later.
Are you here to question me?
In a way.
We didn't do it. That old coot lied. He never saw us coming from the plane. We were...
Barbara, you're not in front of a jury now. We want you to speak freely to us. And you have to understand that anything you tell us, we're forbidden by law to reveal. Unless you...
I know all that. But we didn't kill my dad. I mean, what kind of people do you think we are? Look, I know that we have to tell you the truth. Otherwise, you can't do your best job. And that is the truth. We didn't kill him.